Hello everyone, do you know I am back with an exciting news. Now with the help of ChatGPT, you can create your own GPT. Like custom GPTs, you can create a GPT tailored to your needs. You can train it on your specific data and then you can publish that GPT onto the store, okay? So that's the idea of this thing. So you can see that I am inside of my ChatGPT. It is actually the generalized GPT in which you can actually talk about anything, okay? So ChatGPT has come up with a new feature in which you can create your own custom GPT version, which would be customized to meet your specific needs, okay? To set it up, you should have ChatGPT Plus subscription or ChatGPT Enterprise version for that, okay? Otherwise, you won't be able to do that. You can see that ChatGPT 4 is now built in with Dolly, browsing and analysis. To set up your own GPT, you need to go to this option right below this thing, okay? If you have GPT-4 or GPT Plus, but you cannot see this option, so you cannot push it, okay? You have to wait. It would be available for you in some time, okay? So you just need to click on this Explore button. So here you can see that there are custom GPTs which can help you, okay? They are all created by ChatGPT. So you just need to click on this thing, like create a GPT button, okay? So it says like, hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something like make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who helps format my code. And it asks you like what would you like to make, okay? So I would say like, I would like to create a GPT version that's an AI expert who knows everything about latest trends happening around the world, okay? So I'll just submit this thing. So now it's gathering all the information about AI, okay, which is stored inside of GPT, and it's updating your GPT right here, okay? So here's the preview version where you can actually interact with this thing to test this out, okay? So now it's updating and it will be done in a while. You can see right over here that it just provided me with 4 conversation starters as well. So now it says like, how about naming this GPT like Global Trends Guru? Does this name resonate with the purpose you have in mind? So I can say like, give me 5 unique names, okay? So it would give you 5 more names, okay? I think this one is actually great. Global Pulse AI or Innovations Insider is also good. So I would say number 2 is fine, okay? So it would set my name as Innovations Insider. And now it's generating the profile picture, which would come here, okay? So let's see what it generates here, okay? So we have to wait for a while. So this is the profile picture, which it has generated, okay? It says, would you like to have any changes? I would say like, I want to have a robot as a profile picture, okay? So let's see how it does in this scenario. So it's generating a new profile picture for me, okay? It's really simple and it's very, very easy. So yeah, this one seems nice and great. I could say like, I want this to be futuristic, okay? Let's see what it generates. Yeah, this one is great and it seems really good, okay? So now if I move on to this configure tab, I can upload any image from here as well, okay? I can change the description which comes here. And these are the instructions which this GPT is taking in its view, okay? So if I just move on to the create once again, so I'd say like, this is great, okay? So it says like, to ensure it aligns with your vision, could you specify any particular topics or areas you want it to emphasize or avoid when discussing global trends, okay? This will help in tailoring its responses more closely to your expectations. So I would say that I want this model to avoid giving legal and medical advices. This is a behavior which is by default available inside of like this ChatGPT. So I want my model to avoid that, okay? So it's updating my GPT behavior right here, you can see. So now it's asking me like, what tone would you prefer? So I would say that keep it formal, okay? That's the way like it should be. Alright, so it says like Innovation Insider is not set to communicate in a formal style, providing expert insights on global trends while maintaining a professional tone. The GPT is almost ready, okay? Now you can actually test this thing out here. So I would say like, what's the latest trend in AI? Okay, so it says like, as of April 2023, several key trends have been shaping landscape of artificial intelligence. Okay, so you can see right over here. So it's giving me the latest trends here. So now if we move on to the configure tab, so here it says like new advancements up to April 2023. So I can say like to probably November. Okay, so now you can modify your conversation starters here. Okay, so now to enhance its knowledge, what you can do, you can upload your own files. So this is something that's really great and amazing. So I will click on this upload file. So I have one PDF right here. Okay, so this is the PDF which I'm talking about. Okay, I'm uploading this thing there. Okay, so now you can actually upload all the relevant information which you want to take in account for your GPT, and now GPT can answer questions related to that as well. Okay, so you can see that it has like different AI applications in different fields. Okay, so you can now actually choose these capabilities as well. Okay, web browsing, dolly image generation, and code interpreter. Okay, so make sure that you have all of these checked, because web browsing is an essential feature that you should take into consideration. So if you move on to the actions, so this is the actions tab in which you can integrate the third-party applications and take this thing to a whole lot new level. Okay, so we will be discussing this thing in some other video. Okay, we will be discussing this thing with some use case. Okay, so for example, if you want to integrate this thing to generate emails for you, so you can link other applications to actually send out those emails. So I would make another video to show you the use case of this thing. Okay, so now if I just move down to the additional settings, to use conversation in your data to improve your model, so that's fine. So now let's ask this GPT the question about like this PDF. Let me ask it about like federal AI legislation introduced in 117th and 118th Congress. Okay, and I would say always search for uploaded files first. Okay, because I want this thing to be customized. Okay, so that's an important thing. Let me ask it a question. What do you know about federal AI legislation introduced in 117th and 118th Congress? Okay, look to 35 bills. It takes into account this thing as well. Okay, you can see right over here, out of these 34 bills were identified as having a main focus on AI and machine learning. Yeah, you can see that main focus on AI and machine learning. Okay, so that's really great. Let me ask it some other question. Let me say like, what are some recent artificial intelligence advances? Okay, so now this thing should find things from here. Okay, like generative AI models, then ChatGPT, LLMs, and research and development, and blah blah blah. Okay, transformer models, AI in science and medicine, enhanced speech recognition and image generation, AI ethics and bias mitigation. So these all are things that are actually available inside of this PDF. Okay, so you can feed it with as many PDFs as you want. It's totally up to you, and it will be tailored to that information which you are actually feeding it. Okay, for the information, what you can do, you can transcribe a few videos from YouTube, then convert them into PDF and store it here. By now, I hope you got the idea and point. So yeah, now your GPT is ready. What you can do, you can simply click on this save button. So what you can do, you can save this only for me, or you can actually share it with people with a link, or you can set it up to the public GPT. Okay, so this will be something, you can see that this GPT may appear in the GPT store, which is coming soon. Okay, then if your GPT is good enough, people will use it and it will be monetized actually. Okay, and you will be getting paid for that, and they will going to be sharing the revenue with you based on the usage. Okay, all the information is not now available, like how that store is gonna work, but they will be soon available. So I will make a video on that as well. Okay, so for now I will just make it for me and I'll confirm. So now my GPT is here, it's saved. So let me just quickly show you another setting. If you click on your account and go to settings and beta, okay, So if you go to the builder profile, so here you can add your website, which could actually be great for like lead generation. So if I just say like skillcurve.com, okay, so to verify the ownership of the skillcurve.com, navigate to your DNS provider and add a txt record with this value. Okay, you just need to add a txt record with this value, and then the verification would confirm. Okay, actually it could not be verified. You want to add that thing, and it would take up to 30 minutes to actually verify that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And if I just refresh my page, so you can see that my GPT is here, and that's how people will like interact with this thing. Okay, all right, so that marks the end of this video. I hope you liked this one. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing AI related videos. Till then, have a good day. Bye.